Hi everyone, my name is Matthew. Register number 2122 and 903010. Department Civil Engineering. Subject Employment and Enhancement Skill. Model Practical. Today I am going to share a few words about a special sweet. It can be eaten by all the people from childhood to old age people. You are going to see what's my topic? As the topic is history of chocolate. Do you know where the chocolate is originated from? Can anybody know it? Yes. History. The history of chocolate began in Mesoamerica. Fermented beverage from chocolate date back to 450 BC. It's believed that cocoa seeds were the gift from Quetzalcoatl, the god of wisdom, and the seeds once had so much value that they were used as a form of currency. What do you know about this picture? The picture tells a Latin words. Tits, Norvici, Exito, Crescesi, Divisi, Craftsisa, Dulcissa, Chocolatesi, La Pari, Flipsi, Sneerstiu, Diffacase, Tofohoria. Composition. Do you understand? It's none other than the European countries. They used to write in their own languages below the pictures because they using their languages because it is chocolate is originated from European countries. The pictures tells about a man eating a chocolate and another man having a arrow and a plant. Can anyone see inside the picture? What do you? Yes, they are having the chocolate. The man sitting in the center is the owner. Next to him is his friend. Next, the left side is standing with the arrow and having a cup in his hand. He is the slave or a guardian. The three people are the first person to make chocolate businesses in the world. Oh wow! Oh, chocolate! Hey, hi guys, we are seeing this. I like to eat the chocolate. Yes, chocolate are the most beautiful one. It can be eaten by childhood to old age people. It can be served to people in all the occasions. Chocolate are different and it has different flavors. Anybody can eat from it is priced from low to high. It is ranges from various prices and the flavors and different things as the chocolate. On the left side you can see only nuts, seeds and the chocolate. Right side you can see chocolate in the different types of shapes, colors and tastiest one, like it will be more sweet. Chocolate can be liked and eaten by people from childhood to old age people. Chocolate are more sweet and it is served for people in all occasions. Conclusion: the chocolate can be used in all occasions by different people and different methods. It shows a love of joy sharing with others. It can be made everyone happy. The chocolate made for different flavors to eat. Everyone knows about the chocolate. Each one love each flavor of chocolate. For example, a kid used to eat the chocolate. It can be and be more sweet. The old age people like to eat the chocolate. It will be little sweet. Each one can eat chocolate by the taste, flavor and color. It can give happiness to everyone. If we give chocolate to a child, the smiling will come from the child face. If we give chocolate to old age people, they will take and they will be happy. Anybody can give to anyone. It's a method of showing a love to others. Thank you all who are seeing this my slide. Thank you everyone. Thank you.